lemon wedges, lemon slices, garlic, oil, sweet and chili sauce, salt and pepper, mint, chicken. Put oil on the chicken and tap it. Now turn the chicken and put your hand between the skin and the chicken meat and make it pocket. Put some salt and pepper in this chicken between the skin and the chicken meat and wrap it. Then put some mint and lemon in the chicken. Now put some salt and pepper in the chicken stomach. Then put some lemon wedges and mint and garlic in the chicken stomach until you fill it. You should end up something like this. Put sweet chili sauce on the chicken and then wrap it. Put the chicken in a oven-proof dish next to the one you did before. Now put 1 milliliter water near the chicken. Put the chicken in the lower shelf in the preheated oven.